Integration between schematic and PCB enables seamless transfer of data between the two domains, including full support of incremental changes. Synchronization is controlled through a set of colored traffic lights. They provide a visual indicator for the current integration status and if conflicts exist between schematic and PCB. So let's take a quick look at how you can control forward and backward annotation of design data. To give yourself a head start, PCB layout can be started at any point in the design cycle, with full support for incremental changes. Package and create the PCB from XDX Designer in just a few clicks. Tight integration between the tools ensures that you can see the status of changes being made at the front end with a series of traffic lights in the user interface within PCB layout. When you're ready, you can bring forward those changes into layout. Meanwhile, you may continue to capture the design, knowing that the layout is well underway. You may control whether or not forward or backward annotation is allowed between the schematic and PCB, preventing the layout designer, if that's a different person than you, making changes to the schematic. The forward annotation status is shown in traffic lights within PCB layout. If back annotation is prevented, the indicator in XDX Designer becomes red. When you are ready, you can change the status to allow changes to be passed between the tools. Taking advantage of the PCB layout's hierarchical group planning, components may be grouped together by many different ways, such as by functional design or area. These groups and information can then be seamlessly passed from schematic through to layout, which then ensures that you're able to optimize the placement based on design intent. On forward annotation, the groups appear in the Component Explorer ready for placement, allowing you or the layout engineer to experiment with different arrangements and optimize the connectivity. As well as using the Component Explorer to select and place components, cross-probing between schematic and PCB is fully supported. This gives you the context in which to plan the optimum placement for the board. The components available for placement are highlighted in the schematic. You have now seen how the XDX Designer schematic capture environment seamlessly integrates with PCB layout, increasing your productivity and shortening design time.